Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video I have an unboxing of some Happy Mail from Lisa, who is Leave It to Lisa Crafts, I believe. I'm gonna leave her name. I always butcher her YouTube name. I know it's Leave It to Lisa, but she is awesome, guys. She guest designed for me for the month of December. She's guest designing. I think she has another video to upload, but she asked me a while ago to if she could send. Oh my god, look at, she used my digitals on this. I just realized it. But I wanted to show you guys really quickly before I set the box down what it looks like when you open it. It looks like a box of pink happiness. Thank you so much, Lisa. You are super sweet, guys. Check out her channel. I love her channel. She truly is an enabler. Like, she used to get me, especially with her Temu videos, guys. And now she gets me with her Hobby Lobby hauls and all that. But check out her channel because, oh no, you did not, girl. I'm seeing peeks of what she did in here. She snapped, you guys. Okay, so I told her I was looking for a guest designer to like do some really creative ideas with my digitals and do tutorials and stuff, because I'm not the best with digitals. You know, I just know like a few of the basics. And so she's gonna be guest designing for me again with my Valentine's Day collection, guys. So I highly suggest that you are subscribed to her channel. She is full of inspiration. She just seems like such a joy to, you know, be around. Like, I love her personality. She seems just so bubbly and sweet and fun. So guys, make sure you check out her channel. All right, let's get into this box because I don't have a lot of time. Look at this prettiness. Oh my god, look at this. See, she snapped, you guys. What did I do with the card? Wait, first the card. Look at this card, you guys. She's a boho for show. Look at this beautiful bow. Oh, no, it broke. Look at where's this bow tie from, girl? I don't know. I don't think I have that one. She took my digitals and created a cute little like paper. This was my first time creating digitals, and so I didn't make any papers for this collection. This is my pink gingy collection. So I love that she did this. This looks so cute, guys. And she made this label. She did a video on this, and this is my digital as well. So if you guys are interested, this gingy set is only $10. But let me read this. Merry Christmas. Thank you for asking me to work with your beautiful ephemera. You are so incredibly talented, and I was honored you asked. I wanted to send you some of the projects I made, especially the last one. Oh my god, before the videos came out. Enjoy my rendition of your beautiful work, XOXO Lisa. Oh my god, so sweet, beautiful. Thank you so much, Lisa. I'm super excited, guys. All right, so I did see this box, but oh my god, look what she did. She made a pouch. What? She has officially blown me away. Like, what? I cannot wait to see her video. I hope that she does a tutorial on how she did this, because this is amazing. Okay, so I saw her video on how she created this, and she said in her video she sent me Happy Mail, and I was like, wait a minute, I didn't get anything. So I messaged her, and I was scared that it got lost in the mail or something, guys. Look at how beautiful. Oh my god, look at her sewing. She made a shaker. So this is my digital from that collection, and she blew it up and created this box. Lisa, you go, girl. That is so fire. Oh my god, look at this washi. I don't have this. How do I not have this? This is beautiful. She sent me some trim. Did you sew this? Look at this girl. She's amazing, guys. You better go check her out. Look at how beautiful. Oh, my two favorite colors, guys. Pink and gold. Look at how beautiful this looks together. Thank you, Lisa. Oh my god, I'm gonna hoard this. I cannot use this. I cannot use this. It is beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna stick that to the side. Look at this, you guys. She snapped. What? What? How did you do this? These are my digitals. This is so beautiful. Oh my god. It is gorgeous. Look at you guys. So beautiful. Look at this bead. This bead is... You altered this bead, didn't you? That is so pretty. Look at you guys. This is so beautiful. It's lined with pink. Get out of here. Stop it. Stop it right now. This is gorgeous. I really hope that she did a tutorial on this. And if she doesn't, Lisa, please do a tutorial on that. That is amazing. She sent me some heart doilies. These are gorgeous. I don't have anything like that in my stash. No, she made me some beaded bows. Let me see. Oh, she might have bought these. These are cute. I need the link to these gold ones, girl. They're so pretty. The pearl's pretty too, but I love gold, guys. Oh my God, so beautiful. She's been messaged. She's an enabler, man. I'm telling you. She'll send me links to like bow things. Like she sent me the link to the Michael's bows that I have not seen because I have not really been in there like that. And she's like, hurry up and get them online. And they did not have them available, guys. Oh my God, Lisa. Look at this. This is amazing. It's made so nicely, guys. Look at the stitching. She's got the little heart cabochon. Beautiful. So fire. Okay. I love these. These are my faves, girl. Thank you for sending these. I'm going to cherish these. I love using these in my flowers and on other crafting things. So it's good to have more. Stop it. Look at all this stitching, girl. I don't know why. I could have sworn you told me you don't sew or something. And look at all this sewing. It's beautiful. Guys. This is so pretty, girl. This has to be a die you have in your collection. This is cute. I need this die set. These are amazing. Stop it. I feel so honored and blessed that you sent me this stuff, girl. Oh my goodness. Oh, she put some kind of... Is this a sample? This is a sample of some kind of trim. Nah, did she make this like this? This is awesome, guys. Lisa, this girl came out guns a-blazing. This is so fire. Oh my God, there's multiples, you guys. This is so beautiful. Look at the vellum right here. It's just so soft and perfect. These are perfection. Oh my God, I don't think I'm gonna have enough time for this video. Look at this paper. Is that the Hobby Lobby paper? It's textured. She's got iridescent thread. Stop it. Right now. Oh my God. I'm blown away right now, for real. Wow. Lisa, I need the links to these. And I need this paper. Oh my God. I want to make this trim. But I'm such a snob with my trim, guys. Even though I have tons of it. I don't know why I'm like this. But it's like I don't want to hoard it per se. But I'm just scared to use an entire roll. When I use an entire roll up, I get anxiety. It's really weird, stupid. It doesn't make any sense. Those are amazing. Okay, let's keep going. Because, oh, she sent me the bow thing. Yes. I can't remember if this is the one I found. She showed this on her channel. And I was like, stop it. And I looked at my Hobby Lobby for months. And I never found it. And it's in the baking section. I think that I found it recently. I can't remember if it's the same one or not. But thank you so much, girl. I need to do more things. I've been buying these silicone things for years with the intention of doing resin one day. But I never wanted to play with it because I got youngins and I hear that it's dangerous. So I just cannot wait to put these molds to use. I have so many of them that are just collecting dust. And she sent me this cute little... Girl, you got this at Dollar Tree. I've never seen this. I love Dollar Tree bags, guys. I always snatch these up. And they raise the prices of these to $150. This one is beautiful. She's got this new background on her thing. It's so cute. And it looks similar to this. I love this. Girl, I just cannot stop looking at this. I can't believe you did this. This is gorgeous. This is so bomb. Okay, sorry. Getting distracted. Ooh! Girl, you made my day. This is so cute. Look at this. This is from Hobby Lobby. I did not see this. She's been finding some bomb things. I just watched her haul. And I'm like, I just went to Hobby Lobby. I didn't see any of this stuff. Guys, go check out her channel. She's amazing. Okay, this is a layered notebook. I don't want to open it yet. This is bomb, girl. You can kind of see what it has in here. Oh my God. No, you did not. I did not see this at Hobby Lobby either. What? Oh, this is so pretty, guys. I love scallop edges and bows and gold and pink. This is so pretty. Lisa. Super sweet. Oh my God. Now I gotta put her on my list of people I gotta get back. I'm so bad with mailing, guys. I wish that I wasn't like this so that I could mail things out. I make so many things with the intention of people and buying things, intention of gifting and stuff. And I'm just so bad with mailing. These are the bows that I was talking about that she said that she got from Michael's. And she said she'll send me some. Thank you so much, Lisa, because I would have never found these, girl. These are so pretty. I want to paint them all pink. They're so cute. I think that you can use like alcohol ink to dye these, color them. Look at all of these. Thank you so much for sharing with me, Mama. Okay, next we have a cup lanyard. What is this? This is cute. What? Girl, what kind of Dollar Tree you got? I don't have this in my Dollar Tree, and it's pink and gold. Look at, guys, you clip it onto your cup. You guys know I'm obsessed with cups. I slowed down on buying a lot of cups like I used to. Like, I definitely don't buy the Starbucks ones anymore. But this is so cute. I have so many cups that I can use this on. Thank you so much, Lisa. It's got the little gold detailing too. Oh my God. Girl, she sent me this stuff like she just knows me personally. She knows everything that I love. This is so sweet. We got a pen in here. Oh my God, I love Care Bears. I love Care Bears. This is so cute. Ava's gonna try to steal this from me. No, I can't let her steal that from me. And it's the pink Care Bear. Okay, and then we got some Bow Bunny. Girl, what's going on with my Hobby Lobby? Do I need to come pay yours a visit? Come to your house and come pay your a visit? Bow stamps. I've never seen this at my Hobby Lobby. These are gorgeous. Thank you so much. Oh my God. And then look at this. Oh my God, this is so sweet. She sent me some faith-based stickers. Walk in faith, blessed be the Lord. These are gorgeous. Look at the fonts. Guys, if you don't know, I have been on a path. I'm getting closer to God. Like, I just feel like renewed and all that good stuff. If you know, you know. Lisa, thank you so much. This touched me so much, girl. This really touched my heart. This came in the perfect time because I just was not feeling the best. I just always get Happy Mail like every randomly when I'm just not feeling the best. And so thank you so much for taking the time to do this for me. This is adorable and thoughtful and beautiful. And oh my God, I'm just feeling all the emotions. Stop it. This is so bomb. Guys, she really snapped, okay? Like, I am super excited to see what she's gonna do with my Valentine's digital. I sent her both of them, and I cannot wait to see what she does. So I'm gonna let her know that I did receive her Happy Mail. She told me she was uploading a video, and to let her know as soon as I open it so that she doesn't spoil the surprise for me. So Lisa, thank you so much. This is so sweet, girl. No, I can't believe you did all this for me. Look at how beautiful, guys. Make sure you guys are following Lisa. I love you guys. Thank you so much, girl. I need this dye. I need this dye. And I want to purchase some more of this from you if you sell it, okay? Bye, guys. I love you. Have a great day.